In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the u0100 error code on your Toyota. This code means there's a lost communication with the engine control module, which can cause issues like the engine not starting or warning lights. First, use an OBD2 scanner to confirm the u0100 code. Next, check the wiring and connectors between the engine control module and other control units for any damage or loose connections. Inspect the fuses related to the engine control system and replace any blown ones. Sometimes, resetting the vehicle's computer by disconnecting the battery for about 15 minutes helps clear the code. If the code keeps coming back, the engine control module itself might be faulty and need professional repair or replacement. After repairs, clear the codes with your scanner and test drive the car to ensure the issue is fixed. If this video helped you fix the u0100 code on your Toyota, please like and subscribe for more easy car repair tips. Thanks for watching.